Hey, my name is Professor Muhammad Abu Zar Tamimi, and for more information please visit our website. What is XAMPP? Explained simply, XAMPP is a free, open-source software package that allows you to set up a local web server on your Windows PC or laptop. Think of it as a virtual internet on your computer, where you can install and test websites like WordPress without needing real hosting or a domain. Step 1. Download XAMPP. Visit the official website, https://www.apache. Save the X file, for example, XAMPP Windows X6 for -eight.x.x-installe or .exe. If you liked this video, like, share and subscribe. Turn on notifications for the next lecture, installing WordPress locally. Comment below, which CMS have you heard about before this video?